Alright, morning, back again, Richard again. Bit of an update on that tr6. So we've got it all painted. Got that front end painted. You see we managed to get in there. We've also got the bonnet painted as well. So you can see that. So today, because we've, like I've said in the last video, we're putting the English front end on it now. So we've had to weld up the holes in the other wings, stick them in primer and repair them, drill the new holes for the new wings. So it's all been dry fitted basically. And then we can get this out. I've got a little John Deere component to get done quickly. And then we'll get them wings painted. Right, I'll be back soon. Right, I've got to be quick now because I've just been told the electric's turning off, so I thought I'd just come in here and show you the John Deere. John Deere tractor panel that we've done. Little repair. The wheel had fallen off and damaged the repair and wrecked my noggin and all. So we've done that one as well this morning. But the power's going off in a minute, so we're changing poles apparently, which is exciting. So now we're on hand duties for the rest of the day. Right, we've got a Nissan to paint later. So when that's wrapped up and we've got some power back on, I'll come and show you. Bye for now. Right, back again. Got the Nissan on the go now. So we've got side bumper there. Excuse the noise, we are in the spray booth. So we've lifted up the back on that one so we can clear the whole thing out nicely. The main repair was down on the front here. It should be alright now, so I'll mix the paint up, we've got to give it a good clean. And then take it from there really. I should have thought about this a bit more because I might have had somewhere to put the camera. Work on there. No, so you're just going to have to follow me around. So show you this process. I do have some different mounts coming. And I've got some different mounts anyway, so I'll get them organised so you can see a bit more of what we do rather than just me sat on a selfie stick. So we'll come back over in a minute. So that's degreaser, bearing in mind it's already been cleaned once. Always worth checking again and again and again. Do it for a bumper now. So make sure it's clean. So what I'll do, we'll turn it over, we'll use the clean side now. Get this cleaned. All around there, beautiful. So again, that one wasn't too bad. So now we'll start on the back again. I've got the airline with me. putting some paint on, and because I haven't got any mounts or a cover yet, I think I've got a cover, I'll have to find it. I'm going to put the paint on and then I'll come back and show you that. And then we'll put the clear coat on, same as the last one. Then when I get my cover for this GoPro, I'll change it and show you a bit more. Right, we're back, Steve. Right, back again. Got the base coat on now. I've mixed my clear up, so you can have a look. That's all mixed up now. Yeah, clear coat's mixed up, base coat's all on even, should I say. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to nip around with the tack cloth again, just make sure there's no dust or anything like that in it. We'll blow the gun out, we'll get the clear on, and then I'll come back and explain all that to you. I'll show you that anyway. Right, very low battery. So turn the booth off now, you might be able to hear me a bit better. I'll just swap batteries as well actually. So we've got all the clear coat on now. So I just thought I'd give you a quick see what you think. Not that old now, but you know what I mean. Just thought I'd show you. Showed you it in base coat, well in prime in base coat, and now it's in clear. So you can see it's all sorted out. Now it's all cleared, it makes a big difference, probably makes more sense now. Don't know what's showing up on the camera or what's not showing up on the camera, but you have a rough idea anyway. So now that's done. Now that's done, we'll let that dry. I've given it a quick bake anyway, just so it's nice and hard for the morning. It looks nice and clean. Hopefully it stays clean, and then we can build it all back up tomorrow. And because I've showed you the process of this one, I will just show you tomorrow when it's back together, so you can see what it looks like. And then we'll find my other mounts and my cover and everything like that. Because I'm pretty sure I bought some, but it's been a while since I've been doing these videos, so I've decided to start doing them again. I've been watching a couple of other people. It keeps inspiring me to do these things. So again, Meeper CX4 with a HS25 hardener, that's what I've used on this. Very nice, very glossy. Don't know if you saw on the back there or not. Yeah, it shows. You can see enough on there anyway. I don't know what shows on these GoPros or doesn't show. So yeah, we'll get that built back up tomorrow. The base coat actually was Meeper as well, Meeper Water. That's what we've got a scheme in for. Standard shade looks the best match. We had 5 or 6 shades to choose from on this one. It's one of them colours, it's a bit of a pain. Luckily we can blend it up the rear quarter, the rear bedside. The doors it's got a big gap, so it's not too bad. And the front bumper, we've blended that round anyway, so it's not too bad. And my battery is near enough flat. Can't remember if I showed you the tr6 or not actually. So we've started to build that up. So I've got the radiator cowling to cut out and stuff like that, just to make a bit more room. And the bonnet, I think I did show you actually, so if it's in the video I do apologise, but this is also going to be in the video. So that's that one. And then tomorrow we've got to get that built. We've got a van to do, Citroen dispatch, a couple of bits of flat and polishing. We've also got a couple of bits of motorbike stuff. So we've got a BMW motorbike here. We've just done a small repair, so I need to prime that. I've got the paint for it already. Need to prime that, get that ready. It's all masked off and everything, and then we'll try and paint that tomorrow. I've got to finish that John Deere panel as well, give it a quick nib and a polish. I can't imagine they'd be looking for show quality on a tractor part, but we like to make sure everything's nice and clean, so we'll go down that route. And that's it for today. Right, I'm going. Be good. See you soon. Right, for you it's probably a split second. For me it's overnight. So we've got the Nissan all sorted out now, looking pucker. Just turning it around in the yard, and I'll show you around it quickly. In fact, park it up here, I think. That beautiful beeping noise is because I've got the handbrake was up one notch. Can you believe it? Right, so if we get out of here, God, sun bright. Bit fresh this morning. You can see it's all done now. Oh, Alan, quite the long face, mate. Alan came to check it out as well by the looks of it. Don't miss a trick, that one. And what we've got now, we've got front bumper. What do you reckon, Alan? A bit shiny. Yeah, so we'll phone the customer up now, get that back to them hopefully, and then we'll crack on with the next one. We've got them tr6 wings to paint and a transit door to paint. They're both white gloss, so I'm going to do them at the same time. Speed a bit of job up. We'll just stagger them in the booth, so it won't be a problem. When they're set up, I will turn the camera back on so you can have a nose at them as well. Bye for now. Right, a bit annoying. I forgot I was doing these videos, so they're already painted, so I'll show you them painted anyway. So that's our door. We'll have a bonnet to paint later. The reason why they weren't doing together is because I didn't have the bonnet yet. So just dissecting, get that foam edge. We use that so we don't have a hard edge down that gap. That looks nice though. Nice and glossy. It looks darker on the camera there. get the transit bonnet painted. There's something else we've got done today. Got a small motorbike bit still to do, but I thought I'd show you the transit bonnet. This video is going to be a bit of everything. I'm trying to get my head around what I'm doing, video wise. So yeah. Basically that looks all nice, clean and shiny now. We'll get that back on in the morning, build it back up, nip and polish if needed. Looks pretty clean, to be honest. And then on with the next one. Does look very clean though, so I think we're alright. A couple of bits to look at, but we'll sort it out. So yeah, that's that one. Then we've got that little motorbike panel, which I'll do in a minute. We'll get this baked off quickly while I get the other panel ready, and I'll dig out all my stuff and try and get some footage of painting, hopefully. Figure that out over the next day or two. Right, we're back with the tr6 update.